Welcome to Psychology and Physical Training channel. Have you ever wondered why some teams outperform others despite having members with similar qualifications and skills? The answer lies in understanding the fundamentals of organizational behavior. Organizational behavior, in its simplest form, is the study of human behavior in organizational settings. It examines how individuals, groups, and structures influence and are influenced by behavior within organizations. Let's delve into this fascinating topic, starting with individual behavior. Individual behavior is a complex phenomenon influenced by an individual's personality, values, and attitudes. It's the unique combination of these factors that makes each of us react differently to similar situations. For instance, while some people thrive under pressure, others may find it debilitating. Next, we have group behavior. Groups are more than just the sum of their parts. Group dynamics can greatly influence an individual's behavior. In groups, we often see the emergence of roles, norms, and cohesiveness, all of which shape the behavior of its members. For example, a team might establish a norm of punctuality, influencing all members to arrive on time. Then we have organizational structure. The structure of an organization can either facilitate or hinder effective communication, decision-making, and job satisfaction. A well-designed structure can align individual efforts towards achieving organizational goals. On the contrary, an inappropriate structure can lead to confusion, conflict, and low morale. Lastly, we have organizational culture. Culture is the shared beliefs, values, and assumptions that govern how people behave in an organization. It's like the invisible glue that holds an organization together. A strong culture can motivate employees, promote teamwork, and contribute to organizational success. In the course of 7 minutes, we've discussed 4 key aspects of organizational behavior: individual behavior, group behavior, organizational structure, and organizational culture. Remember, individual behavior is influenced by an individual's personality, values, and attitudes. Group behavior is shaped by roles, norms, and cohesiveness within the group. Organizational structure, if well designed, can facilitate effective communication and decision-making. And lastly, organizational culture, the invisible glue of an organization, can motivate employees and promote teamwork. Understanding these aspects of organizational behavior can not only help individuals perform better, but also facilitate effective team performance and organizational success. So the next time you wonder why some teams outperform others, remember, it's not just about the skills or qualifications. It's also about understanding and managing organizational behavior.
And now we see the scope and nature of organizational behavior. Do you know why does a business flourish while another flounders? Why do some teams excel while others struggle? Could the answer lie within the realm of psychology? A critical area of study in psychology that seeks to answer these questions and many more. Imagine you're working at a company. We'll call it Company A. Company A has a culture of innovation, collaboration, and openness. Employees feel valued, they're encouraged to share ideas, and there's a clear sense of purpose and direction. Not surprisingly, Company A is a market leader, constantly pushing boundaries and setting industry trends. Now let's visualize another company, Company B. The atmosphere here is quite different. Employees feel undervalued and unheard, there's a lack of clarity, and innovation is stifled. Unsurprisingly, Company B struggles to keep up in the market, and employee turnover is high. The stark contrast in these two hypothetical companies provides a glimpse into the power of organizational behavior. It's about understanding and harnessing the human element within an organization. A real-life example that illustrates this is the transformation of Microsoft under the leadership of Satya Nadella. When Nadella took over in 2014, he recognized that the company's culture was hindering innovation and collaboration. He introduced a growth mindset culture, a concept rooted in psychology, and encouraged employees to learn from failures rather than fear them. The result? Microsoft rejuvenated, with increased innovation, collaboration, and market value. Another example is Southwest Airlines, a company renowned for its unique culture. The airline's emphasis on employee satisfaction, open communication, and team spirit has resulted in a highly motivated workforce and a loyal customer base. Southwest's success is a testament to the power of positive organizational behavior. But organizational behavior isn't just about creating a positive work environment. It's also about understanding group dynamics, leadership, decision-making, and motivation. It's about understanding how cognitive biases can impact decisions, how leaders can influence team performance, and how motivation can be enhanced through rewards and recognition. Consider the case of the NASA Challenger disaster. The investigation revealed that groupthink, a psychological phenomenon where the desire for consensus overrides people's common-sense desire to present alternatives, critique a position, or express an unpopular opinion, contributed to the disaster. This tragedy underscores the importance of understanding group dynamics and decision-making in organizations. In summary, organizational behavior is a critical area of study in psychology that involves understanding and harnessing the human element within an organization. It's about creating a culture of innovation, collaboration, and openness. It's about understanding group dynamics, leadership, decision-making, and motivation. The examples of Microsoft, Southwest Airlines, and the NASA Challenger disaster highlight the power and importance of organizational behavior. They show us that by understanding and applying OB principles, organizations can enhance performance, foster innovation, and avoid costly mistakes. So the next time you wonder why one business thrives while another struggles, remember, the answer could very well lie in organizational behavior.
And next, we see the contributing disciplines in organizational behavior. Have you ever wondered about the complex web of factors that shape how organizations function? Today, we delve into the fascinating world of organizational behavior, a multidisciplinary field that seeks to understand and manage people within an organizational context. Firstly, we explore psychology, the science of understanding human behavior. In the realm of organizational behavior, psychologists study individual and group dynamics, focusing on areas like motivation, leadership, job satisfaction, and performance appraisal. The insights gleaned from this discipline are invaluable in shaping policies that foster a positive and productive work environment. Next, we turn to sociology, which examines how individuals interact within a group or society. Sociologists in organizational behavior study group dynamics, team processes, organizational culture, and power structures. This understanding aids in managing diversity, conflict, and change within the organization, ensuring a harmonious and inclusive work environment. Thirdly, we consider social psychology, a discipline that bridges the gap between psychology and sociology. Social psychologists examine how an individual's behavior is influenced by others. In organizational behavior, they study areas like decision-making, group behavior, and communication, providing insights into how to foster effective teamwork and collaboration. Anthropology, the study of human societies and cultures, is another key discipline. Anthropologists in organizational behavior examine organizational culture, rituals, and symbolism, helping to understand and manage cultural diversity within the organization. Finally, we look at political science, which studies the distribution and exercise of power. In the context of organizational behavior, political scientists examine power dynamics, conflict resolution, and negotiation, providing strategies to manage politics at the workplace. In summary, organizational behavior is a rich tapestry woven from numerous disciplines. Psychology provides insights into individual and group dynamics, fostering a positive work environment. Sociology helps manage diversity and conflict, ensuring a harmonious workspace. Social psychology aids in understanding decision-making and communication, fostering effective teamwork. Anthropology helps understand and manage cultural diversity, while political science provides strategies to navigate workplace politics. Each discipline, with its unique lens, enriches our understanding of organizational behavior. Together, they enable us to create organizations that are not just productive, but also nurturing spaces where individuals can thrive and grow. And in today's rapidly changing business landscape, this understanding is more crucial than ever.
Next, let us see the need of organization behavior. Why does a single cog in a well-oiled machine matter? What difference can one component make in the grand scheme of things? The answer is quite a lot. Welcome to the fascinating world of organizational behavior, where every single piece plays a critical role in the overall performance of the organization. Consider the case of a well-known multinational corporation. Let's call it Company X for the sake of anonymity. Company X, despite its vast resources, was struggling with employee turnover and low morale. The management was baffled. They had competitive salaries, a robust benefits package, and an enviable office environment. So what was the problem? After some introspection, Company X decided to bring in an organizational behavior expert. This expert didn't start by looking at the financials or the market trends. Instead, they started by talking to the employees, observing the workplace, and understanding the culture that permeated the organization. What they discovered was an underlying issue of communication. The employees felt unheard and undervalued. The management's directives were often misunderstood, leading to confusion and frustration. The culture of the company, it seemed, was not fostering a sense of belonging or recognition. The expert suggested a simple yet effective solution. Open lines of communication. They encouraged the management to have regular town hall meetings, to listen to employee feedback, and most importantly, to act on it. They also advised them to recognize and reward employee achievements, no matter how small. Company X implemented these suggestions and the results were astonishing. Employee turnover dropped, morale skyrocketed, and productivity increased. The company, once struggling, was now thriving. And it all started with understanding and implementing the principles of organizational behavior. So, what can we learn from Company X's experience? First, organizational behavior is not just about the employees, but also about the management and the culture of the organization. It's a holistic approach that considers every aspect of the organization. Second, communication is key. An open and honest dialogue between the management and the employees can solve a multitude of problems. It fosters a sense of belonging and recognition, which in turn boosts morale and productivity. Third, every single cog in the machine matters. Every employee has a role to play in the success of the organization. Recognizing and valuing their contribution can make a world of difference. In conclusion, understanding and implementing the principles of organizational behavior can significantly improve the performance of an organization. It's not just about the bottom line, but about creating a workplace where every single cog matters, where communication thrives, and where everyone feels valued and recognized. Company X's experience is a testament to that. Remember, in the grand scheme of things, every single piece counts. Every single cog matters. So the next time you think of a well-oiled machine, remember the importance of each cog, each individual, and the power of organizational behavior. And if you feel this video is helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Psychology and Physical Training channel. Thank you for watching.